The Huawei Y6s is a budget smartphone that features a 6.09-inch HD Plus display with a waterdrop notch, 13MP rear camera, and an 8MP selfie camera. It runs on a MediaTek Helio P35 chipset with a 2.3 GHz octa-core CPU, 3 GB of RAM, Android 9 Pie operating system, and EMUI 9.1 software. There's also a fingerprint scanner, face recognition feature, 4G LTE connectivity, and 64 GB of expandable storage. A built-in 3020 mAh battery powers the device. The official price of the Huawei Y6s might be around 21,999 BKR.